Here's a little known fact. The sun actually does increase in apparent size from sunrise to noon. It only increases angular size by 0.00004% from sunrise to noon. This is due to the observer being 3,900 miles closer to the sun at noon than at sunset as the Earth rotates. Duh! The size change is so small, it is not even noticeable even with the close-up shots of the sun. So for the purpose of this video is that the sun does not change apparent size throughout the day. This video is about a flat earther named Phillipe Rockholt who thinks he captured noticeable size increase of the sun in 27 minutes of video. Let's start. Based on given information, he used a P900 and with the aperture settings between 4.5 and f6.5, focal length around 300 to 400 millimeters based on sun size and video. He also claimed to use a neutral density 100,000 solar filter on this video. He claimed to use an ND 100,000 filter which would filter out 99.999% of the light, leaving a sharp outline of the sun. This video shows the sun with glare, which makes it suspicious. His settings appear to stay the same throughout the video. I shot the left photo at f22 at 1/160th of a second with an ND filter of 1000. See the sharp edges? The one on the right was shot at f5.6 at 1/250th of a second using an ND 1000, not a 100,000 filter. See the fuzzy edge and glare exposure is the key. In the first part of this video, it shows that the sun has a sharp edge and very little glare. Okay, let's move a little farther along in the video here. Fast forward a little bit, and you're going to see that the sun is a little bit higher in the sky and it's going to have a little bit more glare in it. And the edges seem a little bit fuzzier now, not a sharp edge as you see before. Now as the sun moves in front of a cloud, you start seeing the sharp edges again because a cloud acts as like a filter in a way to filter out the glare. And as you can see that the sun's edge right there is very sharp. As we move forward in the video and out of the clouds, you're going to start seeing more glare again and a fuzzy edge. Okay, it makes it look like it appeared a little bit bigger. On the very last part here, the sun is very high in the sky and there's more fuzziness around the edge of the sun and more glare. Here's a cutout of 4 photos of the sun together from start to finish. Here are the 4 photos again, but along with the timestamps of the video in question. Here's a cutout of the 4 photos of the sun in order. They line up side by side, and as you can notice, the second and the fourth one looks a little bit larger than the first and the third, and I'll show you why here in just a second. These are still photos from the video in order. Second and fourth photo of the sun look larger than the first and the third. Clouds block the glare in the third photo. The second and the fourth photo clearly shows sun glare and fuzzy edge, making it look larger. With adjusted contrast, the first photo shows little glare and a sharp edge. The second photo shows more glare and a fuzzy edge, as you can see here. Third photo has sharp edge and little glare, and the clouds act like a filter. On the fourth photo, there is high amounts of glare, and the sun looks very fuzzy around the edges and appears larger than normal. In conclusion, the sun's size does not change significantly throughout the day. A word of advice to flat earthers: take photos each hour from dawn to dusk of the sun with a solar filter to eliminate all glare and show the sharp outline of the sun, and then measure each sun photo and show exit data. Keep the focal length the same, adjust shutter speed as needed, enough with the BS.